Making this torus was a little bit tedious because we have to first draw a circle and then revolve it, but half of it is under the floor. So we have to do a 3D move to raise it up. And then when it's raised up, if you want it to be parallel to the floor, we still have to do a 3D rotate, okay? And then when it's rotated, it's still up on the floor. So we now need to lower it. So one neat trick that we can do is to draw the circle standing up first. But every time we try to draw a circle, it's always being drawn on the floor. And there's no 3D circle, okay, that we can use. So one neat trick that I do is I do a cube, and it doesn't matter if it's really a cube or not. It doesn't really matter. I just want it to be standing up, okay? Because I am after drawing this face or this face here, right? So once I have this cube, I now get my circle, and I wanted to draw something where I'm defining the 2 points on the circle, okay? Because I wanted to start at the bottom of this cube, okay? Oh, so when I do a circle and do a 2 point circle, before I click anything, I want to make sure that the face is highlighted. And then I type in my mid, and then I go down to the bottom, and then raise it up, and then type in the diameter. And I want a diameter of 2, just like our first torus, okay? And once I have that one, then I can now move that circle or move the cube or erase the cube because now I have the circle standing up. Okay, so if you try to orbit that one, you can see it standing up. Okay, if I go to the left view, I'll see a oh, you can see it here. See that? So there's a circle standing up. Okay, all right. So I just need an axis now that's standing up, and that could be um, the distance from this circle. Okay, so all I have to do is have a line, and I don't know if we could do a 3D poly from the center of a circle that's standing up. Oh, there you go. And then from the center, I can now define what the um, distance is. So I'm going to put in 3, and I just need the a line standing up. There you go. Okay, so that's a line standing up. There you go. It's a line standing up. And then I can now use my revolve. Revolve this, press enter, and define the axis. So pick 2 points, 1, 2, and then type in 360 or a portion. Okay, and then press enter. There you go. So now I have that other torus now here. Okay, so we don't need this cube anymore. That was just temporary. But yeah, that's one way of making sure you draw a circle that is now on the floor. So if I orbit, it's now on the floor. If I go to my front view, it's now on the floor. So I didn't have to do a 3D move or 3D rotate, but the trick is to draw a circle standing up, and I use a surface of an object to do that. Okay.